Hello everyone, have you PinChat today? Here we're gonna teach you how many message types and file formats that PinChat can support to your business. Here we go. Let's open a chat room from dashboard of PinChat like this. Not only text message, PinChat also support emoji. And stickers, and also locations. Of course, you can send video and photos by the file format. Like this. And for the video and photos, they will get preview like this. If you're not available to do texting, you can use voice recording. Hello, like here I am recording my voice and send it out. To be honest, PinChat can support all kinds of file format. You only need to click on file sharing button and select all the file you want to send, then you can share anything, anywhere. Isn't it so simple? Start to use PinChat to empower your business.
PinChat, the on-demand chat tool.